We have a new solution, sort of an old solution adopted into a new solution for DJI FPV video out of the goggles. We've talked about HDMI out solutions and the FPV out project before, DigiView.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have a new product from Axis Flying, which is an attempt to build an all-in-one, nicely developed box that kind of does everything for you. So this is running DigiView in the box, basically. It also runs Betaflight Configurator, and they're basically their goal is to make
it runs Betaflight Configurator?
Yes. So I have two statements I've got linked here from Facebook from Axis. One is a partnership statement that they're a joint statement from DigiView and Axis. Just saying like, hey, there was some confusion, but the DigiView team is fully supporting creating custom hardware. The team at Axis has been in communication with core developers, and they're basically committed to complying with the licensing terms and sharing their hard work and crediting for everything. But they also released a statement that says, following our partnership with DigiView, we have teamed up with Betaflight to add some more functionality to the Axis HD flying box. From the factory, all units will be sold with the Betaflight configurator pre-installed. This is permission and approval of Betaflight and all developers, making for easier user experience. So basically, you can plug in and use this in the field like a setup box for your phone.
I guess kind of like the SpeedyBee app on your phone, right? But how do you interface with the box? Like you plug in a keyboard?
I think you plug in a keyboard and mouse, yeah. I think it's like runs like a little,
because it has HDMI out, so presumably you have a screen.
Yep.
So it's basically, correct me, it seems like this is just like a Raspberry Pi in a cute box.
Yeah, it's like I think it's Rockchip SSD, but yeah, it's like like a nice little like pre-built sort of thing, like built in a box for you, and then built with their version of DigiView with Betaflight config and some other companion apps. And it'll kind of be just built as like hey, if you're a race director or if you're a person who cares about getting video out and you don't want to deal with like trying to find what thing to buy and how to install it and what Linux kernel to do whatever with. You just buy this box and plug everything in. You can actually get two videos out, I believe, as well. So they do USB.
It's got an
USB-C display port, I think, and then HDMI. So.
And you can do that at the same time. Do you know?
Yes. Yep.
Nice. Devil. Go ahead.
I think they mentioned it's like specifically for race directors, or like you have to unlock features to do both, or something like that. But yeah, pretty cool.
Devil is in the chat. Devil is the developer who basically discovered the secret that made this whole DigiView USB video out project possible. Devil says, we've got one of these here in the office. It's built super well with a CNC metal shell. Can't wait to see the finalized software for it. That's pretty slick. I like the idea that they went, it's just like, well, it's not right. You said it's not Raspberry Pi, but they're like, we just basically have a computer in here. Sure, let's freaking put Betaflight on it. Let's put Linux on it. There's probably a lot of other things you could be doing with this if you wanted to.
It sounds like if you're like a developer or you have software that you think would be handy to be on here, it sounds like they want to do stuff. So I don't know, it's pretty cool. And they're going to provide updates basically that you can do over the network or however, plug in a USB stick. I'm not sure this has networking on it, but you would basically like plug in a USB stick and then flash the new firmware. So
Junus says it runs a version of Android. Wait, have I got that wrong? Did Devil not find the magic bytes?
Yeah, Junus found the magic bytes.
Oh, my bad. What did Devil do? Oh, they had the unlock for the FPV drone. My bad. That's my bad. Devil had the unlock for the FPV drone, and Junus found the magic bytes. Take it easy. Take it easy. Not trying to piss anybody off. Junus really reacted in the Discord server. Sorry, man. Devil also corrects me. No, Junus found them. Trying to get credit where credit's due. Okay. Sorry about that, Junus. I'm glad about this statement from Axis Flying and the DigiView project, because at first, one of the reactions that some people had to this product was that Axis Flying was basically trying to rip off an open source project and profit from it. And it's nice to hear that they worked with the DigiView team, and that the DigiView team is like, no, it's an open source project. Sell it if you want to. So that's good. That's good. Everybody is happy except Junus, who's mad at me for misattributing the magic byte. Oh. We have to say, there are absolutely like the price of this is $145. There are a zillion free options.
204.
204. Why does it say one?
Because that's like a screen, but if you click the actual box, it's 204 for the cheapest box.
Oh, the screen by itself is just 130.
Yeah.
So if I just say HD box, why can I? HD box with fan. HD
on my
box.
side, I can tell you it's 204.
Okay, 204. Okay, so 204 is a lot. I mean, it may be worth it, but we have to say you can absolutely build one of these yourself with an Android handset. There's a zillion different USB out projects methods that are supported by the DigiView project. And so if you don't want to pay $200 for this, head on over to the DigiView Discord server, or the website is, what is the website, Blunty?
Yeah, FPV out is the Discord server and the website, I think. FPV.
Yeah. FPV out is the Discord server. We should put a link to that in the show notes. Would be great. I should have done that.
FPVout.com.
FPVout.com will help you with various Android, single board computer. There's a web browser version. And even a wireless version. So check that out if you're interested in doing something similar without spending a lot of money. All right.